Welcome. Today we will be talking about obesity. Top 5 fruits for weight loss. You've heard it over and over again. But now it's time to take action. You're overweight or obese, and you want to lose weight so you can live a long and healthy life. Well, good news. Choosing the right fruits that help with weight loss can go a long way in helping you reach your goals. Here are the top 5 choices that will lighten your load without leaving you feeling deprived. 1. Lemons. Lemons are often overlooked as a weight loss food, but they are low in calories and full of nutrients that help boost your metabolism and fight obesity. Just one lemon has over 3 grams of fiber, which helps you feel fuller longer and can help prevent overeating. Lemons also contain vitamin C, which helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Add a lemon to your water each day or enjoy a slice with your morning cup of tea to start seeing results. Lemons are perfect for detoxing because they flush out toxins from the liver and kidneys. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day will not only help get rid of excess fluid, it will also flush out any impurity. 2. Oranges. Oranges are not only a great source of vitamin C, but they can also help you lose weight. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate 3 oranges a day lost more weight than those who didn't. And it's not just the fiber in oranges that helps with weight loss, but also the flavonoids. These compounds have been shown to increase fat oxidation and reduce obesity in animal studies. So make sure to add oranges to your diet if you're trying to lose weight. 3. Apples. Apples are one of the most popular fruits in the world, and they're also one of the best for weight loss. Numerous studies have shown that apples can help you lose weight and reduce your risk of obesity. One study found that people who ate 3 apples a day lost more weight than those who didn't. Another study found that apple cider vinegar can help you lose weight. Scientists believe it's because apple cider vinegar helps balance blood sugar levels, which in turn helps with weight loss. Researchers have found that eating an apple every day can reduce obesity by as much as 20%. 4. Berries. Berries are high in fiber and water content, both of which help promote weight loss by making you feel full. What's more, research has shown that people who eat more fiber tend to weigh less than those who don't. And berries are a great source of antioxidants, which have been linked to a reduced risk of obesity. In fact, one study found that women who ate 3 or more servings of fruit per day had an 11% lower risk of obesity. In addition to reducing your risk for obesity, eating healthy foods can also make it easier for you to lose weight if necessary. It all comes down to calories in versus calories out. If you're consuming fewer calories than your body needs each day, then you'll lose weight. But because fruits provide some healthy fats and nutrients without too many calories, they can help make the process easier on your body as well as on your mind. 5. Kiwi. Kiwi is a small, egg-shaped fruit with a fuzzy brown exterior and bright green flesh. It's one of the few fruits that contain all 3 macronutrients: carbs, fat, and protein, making it a nutritious snack option. What's more, kiwi is rich in vitamins C and E, both of which are important for weight loss. In a study that was done, obese women who ate 2 kiwis per day lost more weight and body fat than those who didn't eat the fruit. Kiwis are also low in calories and high in water content, both of which promote weight loss. Research suggests they could be helpful for those suffering from obesity or heart disease. The weight loss effects seem to be strongest when kiwi consumption is coupled with moderate exercise. Studies have shown that obese people who walk 30 minutes every day while eating 2 to 3 servings of kiwi lost up to 10 pounds over the course of a year without changing their diet or lifestyle. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share the video.